This is part 4 of the tutorial on making your circuit board holder for your lantern project. So in this tutorial we're going to cut out an area here and we're going to put 2 holes on each side. So the drill becomes the same, create 2D sketch, select the surface, it comes to here, we zoom in, and we're going to zoom in about there. Rectangle, I'm going to use center rectangle this time. I'm going to click and I'm just going to kind of go a little bit bigger than this. So there we go. And so our dimensions, just to make sure it doesn't move when we do this, from here to here, and make sure that's 0.75. This up and down dimension doesn't matter because we're just going to remove this material. Okay, the other dimension we have is just here, and I know this is going to be 1.1. Okay, so we've got that. We click on Finish, back to the drill of Extrude, pick that surface, not this one, this one. Okay, reverse the direction to Next. Okay, click OK. So now we have that part. And then the last part, what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 holes, 1 hole there, 1 hole there. So we're just going to click on the surface, create 2D sketch this time, circle. Now watch carefully what happens. See if I kind of move this around, you see how it kind of clicks in place, there's those dotted lines. That means it's centered on this area here. And if I come down a bit, there it is centered as well. So we're going to click once, click again for the hole, dimension it, and this dimension we want it to be 0.1. Now to prove to you that it's centered, we'll just dimension it as well anyway. So from here to here should be 0.125, and then from here to here, because this is 1.5 deep, that should be 0.75. So we're good. Now instead of drawing all that back over there, I'm going to show you how to mirror something. So we're going to create a line. See this dot right here? We're going to create a vertical line like that. Hit OK. Now I'm going to dimension it, but watch what happens. When I go here to here, okay, it's going to give me an error. It basically just says, do you really want to dimension it? Yeah, we do. Okay, but it's going to put brackets saying, well, you kind of put it on that dot, which meant it was centered. And you didn't need the dimension, but we put it in there anyways. So we've got that in there. Okay, now I'm going to hit Mirror right here. So under Pattern, I'm going to select the dot, the circle. Then I'm going to select the mirror line, select that, and hit Apply, and it goes to the other side. We're going to click on Done, Finish, so it's mirrored across that, so we know it's in the right spot. And you guys kind of know the drill. We click Extrude, that one there, to Next. You know how it does it now. We click OK, it finishes off, and that completes this part of the tutorial, and we'll go on to the last part in the next session.